Greetings from the Upper West Side of I Love New York, and this is Waterline Square Park, West 60th Street. Special event, great day to be at the park, but it's a really beautiful park, so I wanted to show the whole walk-in coming up from Riverside Park South. Park is open to the public from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. I consider it like a meditation Zen garden. A nice place to stop and visit after summer for the city at Lincoln Center, which is over at West 66th Street. And we have these water pools. And you could see this is New York City, but it has a vibe of a botanical garden. And there is the Hudson River. That's Riverside Park South. But let's make our way up and away. There is an open space between these buildings, West 60th Street, for this beautiful park. And it is a salsa night. They've got events running throughout the whole summer. And here is a concert. This is free and open to the public. And just like they say in the name, Waterline Square Park, here is the Waterline. Let's do a quick walk through. They have movies playing. We'll walk through a little bit more as there is a water show. Now I would say this is definitely one of the lesser known parks. I only came across it myself one day after an event at Lincoln Center. Wanted to walk home along the Hudson River. Looking for an opening. Oh, look at those. These are the lights. That's how I saw this area. From the lights. I said, oh, that looks very inviting. And here is the water show. The best view is looking towards New Jersey, which is right across the river. How fun is that? All right, now let's go over to the sign because this is just a preview of what's happening in the area. Summer at Waterline Square Park. They've got music and dance, and tonight we're here for a dance party Salsa Orchestra, a celebration of the birthplace of salsa, New York City. Films, lots of children's events with storytellers, health and wellness, and screenings. Happy to be back on a day when there is an event. Took a stroll into the neighborhood. For those of you who like to walk, it's a very pretty view. And I could show you the cross streets on how to get here. as we take this walk on an August afternoon, an August sunset. Past a lot of events in Hudson River Park. There was some kayaking, there was a jazz night. Hudson Yards had a live concert. It's a good day to be in New York. And I always love to walk right up to the street signs because it's undeniable how to get there. I know some people may want to stop by this park. Most people I've spoken to have never even heard of this park. Didn't know it was here. All right, so if we head to the right, John Jay College, Hudson Yards. What are you doing? Head to the left, heading up towards Central Park. Ooh. And there it is. And that's a walk of West End Avenue at West 60th Street to Waterline Park. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoying.